Hello everyone. Welcome to UPSC Explainer 101. Today, we'll explore sources and approaches from Spectrum Chapter 1. Let's dive in. Discuss the role of archival materials in reconstructing the history of modern India. How do central and state government archives contribute to our understanding of this period? Answer: Central government archives. The National Archives of India houses crucial documents from the British Crown and East India Company era. These documents offer insights into administrative, legal, and socio-economic conditions. State government archives. State archives contain records from former British Indian provinces and princely states, crucial for understanding regional histories and local governance under colonial rule. Variety of records, judicial records, administrative documents, and private papers in these archives provide a multifaceted view of India's past, including policies, governance structures, and societal norms. Evaluate the significance of biographies, memoirs, and travel accounts as sources for studying modern Indian history. Answer: Personal perspectives. These accounts offer personal insights into the socio-economic and cultural aspects of the period, often missing in official records. Cultural and social aspects. They depict the lifestyle, customs, and interactions between different communities and the colonial powers, enriching our understanding of the societal dynamics. Variety of viewpoints. Accounts from travelers, traders, missionaries, and colonial administrators present a diverse range of perspectives on Indian society during the colonial era. Analyze the importance of newspapers and journals as historical sources. What role did they play in shaping public opinion during the colonial period? Answer: Reflection of public opinion. Newspapers and journals, both in English and vernacular languages, were key platforms for expressing public opinion and disseminating nationalist ideas. Diverse viewpoints. These publications showcased a variety of viewpoints, including those of reformers, nationalists, and colonial administrators, offering a comprehensive picture of the intellectual climate. Role in freedom struggle. They played a pivotal role in the freedom struggle, mobilizing public opinion and spreading awareness about nationalistic movements and British policies. Discuss the relevance of oral evidence and creative literature in understanding the history of modern India. Answer: Cultural insight. Oral histories and literary works provide insights into the cultural and social fabric of the time, capturing the essence of everyday life, traditions, and societal norms. Complementary sources. These sources complement official records by offering perspectives on aspects like popular beliefs, folklore, and artistic expressions, which are often underrepresented in formal documents. Reflecting social changes. Literature and oral narratives reflect social changes, aspirations, and the impact of colonial rule on various strata of society. Explain how paintings and artistic expressions from the colonial period contribute to our understanding of modern Indian history. Answer: Visual documentation. Artworks, including company paintings, provide visual representations of socio-economic, political, and cultural life, giving a tangible form to historical narratives. Cultural interactions. These paintings often depict the interactions between Indians and Europeans, offering insights into the cultural exchanges and influences during the colonial period. Artistic perspectives. They provide a unique perspective on historical events and societal conditions, often revealing subtleties and nuances missed by written records. Prelims MCQs. Which of the following archives is known for being a significant source for the study of Maratha history before the fall of the Peshwas? A. National Archives of India. B. Rajasthan State Archives. C. Peshwa Daftar in Pune. D. Archives of the Kingdom of Lahore. Answer: C. Peshwa Daftar in Pune. The first attempts to publish newspapers in India were made by A. Nationalist leaders. B. Disgruntled employees of the English East India Company. C. British government officials. D. Missionary societies. Answer: B. Disgruntled employees of the English East India Company. Which painting genre emerged under the patronage of the East India Company and is referred to as Patna Kalam? A. Bengal school paintings. B. Company paintings. C. Kalighat paintings. D. Modernist Indian paintings. Answer: B. Company paintings. Who was the first important novelist of the latter half of the 19th century in India, noted for his novel, Anandamath? A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. C. Raja Ravi Verma. D. Nandlal Bose. Answer: B. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. The archives of which European power preserved in Goa mainly belong to the period from 1700 to 1900. A. British. B. French. C. Portuguese. D. Dutch. Answer. C. Portuguese. The National Archives of India was originally established as the A. Imperial Record Department. B. British Historical Records Office. C. Delhi Archives Bureau. D. Indian National Library. Answer. A. Imperial Record Department. Which one of the following is not a primary source of modern Indian history? A. Official government documents. B. Newspapers and periodicals. C. Secondary research articles. D. Personal letters and diaries. Answer. C. Secondary research articles. The Bombay Gazette was first published in A. 1770, B. 1789, C. 1791, D. 1801. Answer. B. 1789. Who among the following was a prominent painter during the British colonial period, known for his portrayal of Indian mythological themes? A. Abanindranath Tagore. B. Raja Ravi Verma. C. Jamini Roy. D. Nandlal Bose. Answer. B. Raja Ravi Verma. In which Indian language did the first newspaper, Samachar Darpan, get published? A. Hindi. B. Bengali. C. Marathi. D. Gujarati. Answer. B. Bengali. The Asiatic Society of Bengal was founded in A. 1784, B. 1800, C. 1825, D. 1857. Answer. A. 1784. Which one of the following is a significant source for the study of the socio-religious movements of the 19th century? A. Government gazettes. B. Travelogues. C. Newspapers and journals. D. Court judgments. Answer. C. Newspapers and journals. The first attempt to publish a newspaper in India, which did not materialize due to strong opposition, was made by A. James Augustus Hickey. B. William Bowles. C. John Butler. D. George Foster. Answer. B. William Bowles. Which of the following is true about the archival materials from the Survey of India initiated by James Rennell? A. They focused primarily on military strategies. B. They provided detailed geographical mappings and socio-economic information. C. They were limited to political histories of Indian princely states. D. They were exclusively in the Portuguese language. Answer. B. They provided detailed geographical mappings and socio-economic information. Kalighat paintings, emerging in the 19th century, were significant for A. Depicting British colonial rulers in a positive light. B. Focusing exclusively on mythological themes. C. Capturing social changes and commenting on social evils. D. Being commissioned works by the British East India Company. Answer. C. Capturing social changes and commenting on social evils. The Bengal School of Art, prominent in the late 19th century, was mainly influenced by A. European artistic styles. B. Rising Indian nationalism and focus on Indian mythology. C. Commercial interests of the East India Company. D. Persian and Mughal miniature paintings. Answer. B. Rising Indian nationalism and focus on Indian mythology. In the context of modern Indian history, the private archives and papers of Indian leaders housed in the Nehru Memorial Museum and Library are particularly valuable for studying A. Economic policies of the British Raj. B. The development of the nationalist movement. C. Artistic trends in colonial India. D. British military strategies. Answer. B. The development of the nationalist movement. Thanks for watching.